Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Dave here again with you. I'm going to be doing another painting today. I got such a wonderful response to the bird that I painted in my last video that I wanted to keep the momentum going and try another painting here. Today I'm not using a canvas. Last one was on canvas. This one I am using a mixed media. I guess it's a pamphlet or by Canson is the brand. This is a 9 by 12 inch, and right now I'm laying down a coating of titanium white from acrylic. I'm using acrylics again. I put a layer down of titanium white from Folk Art. Now I'm going in with some burnt umber from Liquitex. Again, I'm painting this from just using my eyes. I didn't trace anything, or I didn't pre-draw anything. I am using a reference picture for this. It's a little bit out of frame. I'll show you what the source that I used for this painting at the end of this video, so you can see the comparison between the photo and the painting. Here I'm going in with some more dark brown. I mixed the burnt umber with some black to give it a little bit darker texture. I want to thank everybody for leaving such really uplifting and positive messages and comments on my last video. I had a lot of fun doing that video, and my wife Kelly has been encouraging me to do another one. So here I had some extra time available today, so I wanted to try to get a painting in. This painting took about, I'd say about 45 minutes to do. Watching it back on speed lapse, it goes so much faster, and I can't believe that it took me 45 minutes to paint this, and now it's shrunk down into about 10 minutes. I love speeding. I love watching the videos that are sped up, so you can, I don't know, just like Peter Draws. I don't know if anybody out there watches Peter Draws, but when he draws his doodles and his draws, and when he speeds it up, I love that, how it feels, and it's very satisfying. Now here I am going in with some I used Payne's Gray from Liquitex on this one, mixed in with some titanium white, and then I would mix in some raw umber light from Artists Acrylic, Winsor and Newton. Now I'm using Mars Black from the Liquitex Basics acrylic line for the eye and the nostrils. In the photo, the eye that's exposed, it has some light fur around the eye, so that's what I'm trying to get in here, a little bit of a highlight. For this, again, I'm using the raw umber light and some titanium white. I only use 6 paints to do this entire painting. Now I'm going in with the horn on the other side of the head. Again, I'm using just a mix of the Mars Black, some titanium white, some Payne's Gray. I pretty much just mixed all the colors together just to see what it would come up with. The horn on that side is a little bit darker in the picture, so I did want to try to make that one a little darker in the painting. Little titanium white for the shine in the eye. Really brings it to life, I think. And I noticed that I didn't have it quite bright enough around the eye, so I went back in with some more titanium white and raw umber to just bring a little bit more light in around the eye. I tried this dab effect to try to mimic the look of the animal's fur. I had a hard time getting the color straight at the bottom to match with what I saw in the picture, so I had to keep going in with some white, some gray. This picture is it has a misty look to it, like on a misty morning, so I was trying to get some mist effects on there. Just trying to fill in the white spots I left behind from the original brown dabs that I put on the face. Here I'm touching up the top of the head. I didn't like how it turned out the first time, so I'm going back in and just touching it up. And the image, it is a foggy morning, so I'm trying to get the effect that of some fog in the picture. So I went in with my hand. I didn't like how it turned out at first, so I did it with my fingers, and then I went in and tried to get put some more paint on, but then the paint wound up being a little bit too wet, so I wound up hammering it with the paintbrush that I used to put down the layer of titanium white in the beginning, and all of a sudden I really liked how it was turning out, so I just started banging the paper with the half dry brush, just melding it all together, and the next thing I knew, all of a sudden it was creating the fog effect that I was going for in the beginning. So I just hammered it to death. Now the image that, or the source image, the bison is in a field, and there is some yellowish, I guess, fronds sticking up here and there in front of it. So that's what I'm going for in here. I'm using the lemon yellow from Deco Art mixed in with some titanium white and a little bit of the raw umber, just to get the look of some yellowish foliage in front of it. And then I go back in with the dry titanium white brush and just hammer it down to bring that fog back in. And that's it. That's the painting, and now I'm going to go on here and make it official with my artist signature, I guess is what you'd call it. So now here is the source image that I found on Instagram that I really fell in love with. So that's the image, and that's my version of it. So I hope you guys liked this video. I had a lot of fun making it. Until next time, bye-bye.